Okay guys, this is just a general overview of the lymphatic system. So the lymphatic system is the body's immune system. It helps the body get rid of toxins, waste, and other unwanted materials. And it consists primarily of lymphatic vessels, lymph nodes, the spleen, tonsils, and the thymus gland. So lymphatic vessels are also sometimes called lymphatic capillaries. You can see an arrow pointing to one on the model here. They're just thin-walled structures that are made of simple squamous epithelial tissue, and they're filled with an interstitial fluid called lymph, and lymph contains infection-fighting cells. There are two primary lymphatic ducts that you have to be familiar with. There is the right lymphatic duct that is draining the right side of the head and the neck. It also drains the right shoulder and the upper limb. The thoracic duct drains the rest of the body, and you can see that I have them pointed out on the model. Now, lymph nodes are just lymph collecting vessels. They're generally clustered into three regions. There's the cervical region at the neck, the axillary region at the armpit, and then I have an arrow pointing to a lymph node in the inguinal region. And lymph nodes just collect and filter that lymph. Now, there are three lymphoid tissues that you have to be familiar with. First of which is the spleen. It's the largest lymphatic organ. It's just this finger-like projection that's next to the stomach, and it basically just stores and breaks down red blood cells. The thymus gland is located just above your heart. It produces a hormone called thymosin, and thymosin is involved in the development of T lymphocytes. And you guys are familiar with lymphocytes. They're white blood cells that are involved in the immune system. There are also the tonsils, also known as your adenoids. They surround your pharynx. They just sample bacteria and viruses that are coming in through your nose and your mouth. So that's just a general overview of your lymphatic system.